Hello, look who I found here. Welcome to Singapore!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Naghihintay kami ngayon ng aming crab. And look!
Ito na ata.
There's no one. Huh? Population 0. Must be Singapore. Charan! Chen 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 chen. The Jewel of Chan. Pero nasa Terminal 4 kami. Kaya ganito, walang picture lang. Where are you? This is the Stanford Arts Center, kung nasaan ang tatanghalang Singapore
Ba't baliktad?
Improv Festival. And maglalakad kami papunta sa aming hotel, which is malayo. Which is over here. Kung wala tong dingding na yan, nandun na kami.
Name. Ay,
Kita ba? Ayan.
pwedeng uminom.
We are unboxing our Singapore Improv Festival goodie bag! So, hindi siya actually kailangan i-unbox dahil siya po ay transparent. But, just so you know what the contents are, here's the note. Welcome to Singapore Improv Festival 2024. Thanks to a kind sponsor, here are some supplies to keep everyone fresh, clean, and happy as we gather to meet new friends, see old friends, do great improv, and emoji have fun. Thank you, sponsor. Rejoice perfume, shampoo. Pantene Radiant. Oh. Iba pala siyang language. It's conditioner. Oral-B toothbrush. Oral-B lasting white. 100% stain removal. 24-hour active stain resistance. Calling card. The Malaya Council. Hindi ko alam. Safeguard, fresh green, 130 grams, and a mystery item. Thank you, SIF, I love it. And a special badge for the teachers. Hello! Good morning!
Who's there at the back? Oh, hello.
Tinawagan Si Missy? Asan ba sila? Ang hirap nang hindi nasa parehas na hotel. Wala kasi nang sponsor sa amin eh.
Oo nga. Ang layo ko. Nakiligo na nga lang ako dito.
Wala sa isang hotel kami.
Kawawa
Kanina
naman
pa kami
kami.
nag-video.
Kawawa naman kami. Hirap
ngayon,
na hirap na
putol-putol yung video namin. Kasalanan nyo to. Are you
I want to sit on this throne. Look at this.
Look at this.
Yes.
Huh?
I feel like an oyster.
Can I take a video? How do I take a video of you?
I am an oyster. I am a clam.
Drop it off.
Look who's here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Miss Anxiety herself. But my shirt says I'm okay.
Okay. And Papu is here.
Hello. Is this for the vlog?
Yes, it's for the vlog. So, Mon, tinapos ko na yung Alabang vlog, di ba? Missy sends me her videos from Alabang. Today.
Anxiety. No, legit, I am like, give me a link and I'll be like, yeah.
Sakain ka.
2 drinks.
Adik.
Kumain ako ng kaya.
Ako kanina.
I had 8 pieces of xiaolong bao all by myself. Chester? Spit is partying.
Again. I'm gonna show you the time, right?
Partying.
Look at the time.
Oh, wow.
It's so late. Picture. It's so late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
It started out with a kiss, how did it end like this?
It was only a kiss.
Now I'm on his knee, and she's slowing it down, and he's having a stroke, and she's taking it down. Now we're going to bed, and my stomach is sick, and it's all in my head, but he's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now. Let me go. Heart's red, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard I try. Keep that in mind, inside is right. It's ready to all I know. Time to back the day. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock is slide away. It's so hungry. You will not know. Watch the time go right out the window. Try to hold on. You didn't even know. We're staying on. So watch you go.
Divide 4 tayo sa Grab. Uwi na siya. Wala na. Naging na siya na 6.
Ay, nagbagong for.
Okay. Nagay na siya.
Angelica, kita ka. Ay. Nakita ka dyan. Can you come closer also?
Puputol yung kamay ni Arnel at yung face ni Papa.
Pipili, kung may papipili. Kung may pipili ako sa kanilang dalawa.
Gusto ko yung sentence na ng pababa. Kung pipili ako, kung may mas pipiliin ako, or kung may pipiliin man ako.
Pipiliin ako.
Lahat naman ng tao, hindi lang ikaw.
Kung may pipiliin.
Alam naman
Pag-usapan
natin.
na namin. Kung may pipiliin.
Piliin kita, Missy.
May nice status.
Okay, right, game.
Game. Bawal na magsalita. Lagay mo sa ilalim. Tayo na sunod-sunod. Ikaw na lang.
Dalawa sila.
Ah, 68. It's probably the worst, the mind game.
the worst
So,
How many card do you have?
Two each.
Two ulit. 3, 3, 3.
ang lalaan.
Ako sa akin na, I'll stop.
Baba na ano, ng 35. Ah, 5. Magkakasunod, 25, 26, 27, 28. Additive, reductive.
Reductive C, set 1. Reductive C.
I am additive.
Standing in for Missy.
Glenn, we're gonna put our stuff here.
Step back. Yes, step. Missy, standing in for you. I will be the one. Hi, welcome. This is our format, Family Feud. You'll see 2 rounds of it. People are coming in, people are leaving, people are coming back. Here's Family Feud. To start, we need something from you. What is a location where a lot of people gather? Clear stage. Yeah. So, okay. Pero kailangan mag-project.
Eto. Eto. May tape na green dito eh. Okay lang.
Kita mo itong buhit na yan. Yung pintura na yan.
Hindi mo yung makikita mamaya makakalimutan. Ito. So ito okay pa? So dito tayo pipila sa first X or in front of it? In front. First X dito.
Kasi
No, hindi pa urong kayo eh.
Pero may X.
Masyado daw malapit sa
Okay, copy.
Find your line. From others, from post-introduction friends. Aaron?
Sport performance.
This is a hole. That's where it should be.
Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, ready. Not yet. Okay, ready everybody?
That's it. Sige, we'll erase.
Okay.
I eat 6 eggs and 2 bacon.
Okay, wait, I also wanna join in this video. Okay, ready? Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Santa.
What's that?
I. Santa. I. Better. Better curiously. I better curiously. Santa, I better curiously. And
I'm sorry.
another the speed.
Ang ganda.
Sinigang.
Yung sa'yo.
Okay, ready? Everyone read? Santa, I better curiously, and another the speed sinigang. Are you proud of yourselves?
Every now and then.
Amazing.
Shakespeare's About Nothing.
Tagalog.
Everybody, ready? Okay, the only rules are Tagalog in present tense. Okay, go. Kinukuha si kalbo. Kaya, kinain, ninanakaw, hindi, salubungin. Okay, again. Kinukuha si kalbo. Kaya inaahit, ninanakaw, tumatakbo, hindi salubungin. Poetry. Si Kalbo.
Si Kalbo, si Kalbo.
Tagalog naman, Tagalog naman. Okay. Bless you. Ako, meron na ako. Okay. Basta, ilang
Kilala. Sa karamihan.
Ano?
Basta, ilang karamihan.
ng
Dalawa sila.
tatlo. Ng
Basta, ilang kilala sa karamihan ng...
At, pero,
So, wala nang ibang...
Okay, basta, basta ilang kilala sa karamihan ng kasi.
Kasi yan eh. You know, kasi
Okay. Basta ilang kilala sa karamihan ng kasi sa ganon.
Hey.
Oh, German naman, German.
Pwedeng
5 minutes before.
ito pa yung tela eh. Ang kapal. Mamaya ako sa natutuyo. Mag-ako. Mag-ako pa yung mag-ako.
Sabihin mo yung kay Diva.
Ano yung pinadalang video? Favorite